Why are so many marketing agencies switching to GoHighLevel? Because running marketing campaigns for multiple clients can quickly become chaotic. Managing emails, funnels, leads, and automation across different platforms isn't scalable. But GoHighLevel was actually built with agencies in mind. Traditional marketing setups require agencies to use several tools. One platform for funnels, another for email marketing, another for CRM, and yet another for automation. Managing all of this across multiple clients becomes complicated and expensive. It also makes it harder to deliver consistent results. GoHighLevel simplifies this by providing an all-in-one marketing system. Agencies can manage funnels, automation, CRM pipelines, messaging, and reporting from one platform. Each client can have their own account and marketing system within the dashboard. This allows agencies to create repeatable marketing processes. For example, an agency can build a funnel template, connect it to automation, and deploy it across multiple clients. Instead of building everything from scratch every time, they can scale their services much faster. That's why many agencies use GoHighLevel as the foundation for managing their client marketing systems. Click the link in the description to get your free GoHighLevel for Beginners, What Actually Matters First ebook. And also click the link in the description to start a free trial of GoHighLevel.